Hello, everybody. Today we have the facilitator from our Millionaire Leaders panel discussion, Tim Center. Tim, why don't you tell everybody a little bit about yourself?
Well, I'm about 6'3", weigh about 200 pounds, and I'm a lawyer. What else do you need to know, Robert? No, it's serious. I'm the CEO of the Capital Area Community Action Agency. We're about a $10 million organization serving 8 counties in North Florida, providing a safety net to those low-income families who are struggling to make ends meet and to get by. And so we're honored to be a part of this program with Any and a chance to talk with the folks that are leading by example, who are really some of these large organizations. Because I think that's where our audience wants to be. They want to be successful, and they want to grow what they're doing, and with that growth comes opportunity and some challenges, and I think our folks have met those challenges head on.
I'm sure. Thank you very much for that. And then in terms of the actual discussion that we'll be having, why don't you tell everyone a little bit about some things that you might be interested in manipulating, or things you might be considering leveraging, or just what you expect in general, really?
Sure, we try to stay away from the words like manipulating, but leveraging is always a good one. And we also avoid the word scheme a lot. That's also not a good one. But when you take a look at the programs that the leadership of the program that we're bringing on here, when you look at what the TMH Foundation and what hospice has done in the past with Nigel, or you look at what throughout the Panhandle, what Leslie is doing with legal services, when you take a look at the Diocese of the Episcopal Church in Georgia, really a fantastic example of coming in crisis and restoring faith, true faith, and confidence in a program. And then the YMCA, the leadership there of nearly 40 years, incredible. So I think it really helped for the viewer the background of these folks and what they've done over time, how they got to where they are. But also realizing that when you're raising money and you're fundraising and you're developing your programs so that you can get to that next financial level or tier, with that comes responsibility and comes a lot of new skills needed, not just on raising money, but actually on operational integrity. So yeah, we've got some really neat opportunities, I think, to really flesh out what it looks like to really run a robust, meaningful organization that's at $1 million or more.
Thank you so much for your time, Tim. I really appreciate it. We look forward to seeing you on August 5th for the actual Millionaire Leaders panel discussion. So thank you again for your time.
Looking forward to it, Robert. Thanks so much.
Thank you.